Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy. It's another beautiful day. Welcome back to another video. On today's video, I will be unboxing a special gift that a special somebody gifted us. But before we get into this video, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes guys, today's video I'll be unboxing a gift that a special somebody so dear to my heart gifted us. But before then, first I want to thank my followers. They've been so good to me, so amazing. If you watch my videos, you see I don't have a lot of views, but the little friends and family I have on my community, they've been of so much love. They've showered me with so much love. They're amazing people, you know. You guys know I used to post some Amazon links on my page. So I have some of my followers that do shop with my link. I know when you shop with my link, I get a little commission out of it. So there's this follower of mine that wanted to shop with my link. Then the person now forgot to use my link. The person now felt bad. The person now had to call me that, come please, I bought something. No, the person have bought like 2 or 3 items with my link, using my link. Then I got some commission. But this faithful day, the person forgot to use the link. So the person now reached out to me and said, I'm very sorry, I forgot to use your link. So you know what, just send me your account, what you were supposed to get for the commission, let me put it in your account. So I know that person is here watching me. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you. God bless you. You will never lack favor. You always meet up to your standard. So another of my friend also was around, was it like last 2 weeks? So she now reached out to me and said, babe, I'm around, please can we see? And that period I was working. I was working. So I was supposed to meet with her the next day. Unfortunately, my car got spoiled and I was going to work. So anyway, I was able to meet up to see the person, but I just had like 5 or 10 minutes to spend with her before going to work. I saw her and she surprised me. She surprised me with an amazing gift that I never expected. Like she was reading through my mind, as if she knew what I was even going through at that moment, as if she knew I really needed that support at that moment. So, Ore, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. I appreciate the gift. I appreciate you. You will never lack. Your children will always find favor wherever they go to. I really appreciate you. And my other subscribers and other of my subscribers are also using my link to shop. I thank every one of you. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for this video not to get too long, I'll quickly rush these items that I want to show to you guys. Okay guys, so first is this beautiful blouse from Zara. It's very see-through. I love it. I'll just rush it because of time so it doesn't get too long. So here is it. I think I'll be doing another video where I'll be trying them on for you guys to see. So next is this black cargo pants. This one is for my daughter. So next is this bodysuit. I love. So it comes like so. Next is this white blazer. It's a double-breasted blazer. It comes with all these gold button details. I love. I'll be definitely doing another video where I'll be trying them on. I just want to rush this video so that it won't be too long. If you guys see, you see I'm not even dressed, I'm just overexcited. I want to appreciate everybody, so that's why I'm just here like this doing this. So that's it for this. The next is this crop top. This one too is for one of my daughters. So next is this La Roche-Posay cream. Next is the ordinary serum. Next, another the ordinary serum. And this one is a Body Shop Skin Defense. The next is this body spray. I love the way this one smells. It smells amazing. Smells so good. But they don't sell this product here. I don't know where I can be buying this product when this one finish. It smells amazing. Trust me, guys. It smells so good. I don't know if you guys can see it well, if the camera is showing it, but it smells amazing. It's a body spray. The next is this CeraVe control cleanser. The next is this La Roche-Posay, the sunscreen. Next is the lip gloss. My daughter already did justice to this because she couldn't wait to unbox it. She had unboxed this one already. So this one comes like so in form of an ice cream. Then you screw it open like this. It smells like orange. So this one is for one of the girls. The next is a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Like so. Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Next is a unicorn face mask for one of the girls. See how beautiful it looks. Looks beautiful. So this one is for one of the girls. This one is a lip balm for the girls. Next is this perfume. It's a Hello Kitty Zara perfume. It comes like so. Comes like so for one of the girls. Smells good. Smells amazing. So this one for one of the girls. So my girls are super excited. I'm so grateful for all these items. This one is another perfume for the one of the girls, Ariana Grande. Comes like so. It comes with this stand, like so. Isn't this beautiful? So beautiful, so cute. Smells good. Mm, smells like sweet. Mm, smells amazing. Smells good. So that's it for this. The next and last but not the least are these Ifetowa key holder. See them, three of them, gold and silver for the girls. The gold one for me, then the silver ones for the girls. So they look so cute. So guys, that's all for today's video. I thank the person that gifted us this item. I really appreciate. I and the girls are very, very thankful. We appreciate everything, and we thank every one of you that is following us. We thank you for showing us so much love. We really appreciate. But please keep supporting us. Try to give us comments to encourage us to do more. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the girls also. So I'll end this video here. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye guys.